CBSE Class 10 board exams cancelled and Class 12 exams postponed. Rajasthan Class 10 and 12 board exams postponed. Bihar Board Class 12 Compartmental Exam 2021 applications extended till April 15th. Andhra Pradesh Board to conduct Class 10 and Intermediate exams as scheduled. CICSE will soon decide on holding Class 10 and 12 board exams. Jamia defers Class 10 and 12 exams at its schools as COVID-19 cases surge. Sisodia urges Centre to cancel CBSE Class 12 board exams as well. Karnataka Class 10 board exam will take place, says state government. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Nitya reporting from ANN, and the daily stories are: the Central Board of Secondary Education on Wednesday cancelled Class 10 exams and postponed Class 12 exams in light of the surge in COVID-19 cases. The exams were scheduled to be held from May 4th. The Education Ministry announced that the CBSE has cancelled the Class 10 exams and postponed Class 12. The announcement was made after Prime Minister Modi held a meeting with Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank on Wednesday. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal welcomed the decision to cancel CBSE Class 10 board exams and postpone the Class 12 exams. "I'm glad that the exams have been cancelled or postponed. This is a great relief for lakhs of students and their parents," Kejriwal tweeted. In the wake of rising COVID-19 numbers, the Rajasthan government has decided to postpone board examinations for classes 10 and 12 for schools that fall under the purview of the Rajasthan Board of Secondary Education, that is the RBSC. The Ashok Gehlot-led state government has also decided to promote students of classes 8, 9 and 11 to the next class without conducting examinations for these classes. The decision in this regard was taken after a meeting chaired by Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, where Education Minister Gobind Singh Dotasra was also present. Bihar Board Class 12 Compartmental Exam 2021 application process has been extended till April 15, 2021 by the Bihar School Examination Board. As the registration date has been extended, the last date to pay the fee has also been extended till April 20th, 2021. Earlier, the last date to register for the examination was April 10th, 2021. Students can visit seniorsecondary.biharboardonline.com for more details. Bihar Board Class 12 Compartmental Exam 2021 is scheduled to be conducted from April 29th to May 10th, 2021. The BSEB Class 12 Compartment Exam admit cards are expected to be released soon by the Bihar School Examination Board. Earlier, the BSEB had directed to submit the registration forms through the schools from April 5th to 10th, 2021. Andhra Pradesh Education Minister Adimulapu Suresh on Wednesday said the exams of Class 10 and Intermediate will be held as per the schedule. Reacting to the central government's decision to cancel Class 10 board exams and postpone Class 12 board exams, the minister said the state government will go with the schedule. Precautions against COVID-19 are being taken care of in all schools. The department is reviewing the situation every day and COVID-19 tests of students are being conducted, Suresh said. The government will think of cancelling the exams if the number of cases increases in the forthcoming weeks. Stern actions will be taken on those educational institutions which will not follow guidelines, the minister added. Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Reddy will hold a review meeting and discuss on the matter. The Council for the Indian School Certificate Examinations, that is CISCE, on Wednesday said it is reviewing the COVID-19 situation and will soon take a decision on conducting Class 10 and 12 board exams. The CICSE announcement comes following the CBSE's decision to cancel Class 10 exams and postpone Class 12 papers in view of the surge in COVID-19 cases. "We are reviewing the situation and will soon take a decision in this regard," CICSE Chief Executive and Secretary Gary Arathun said. The Class 10 exams are scheduled to begin from May 5th, while Class 12 exams have already begun from April 8th. Amidst a surge in COVID-19 cases, Jamia Millia Islamia on Wednesday announced to postpone the Class 10 and 12 exams at JMI schools scheduled to be held from Thursday. In a notification, JMI said that in view of the rising coronavirus cases, the scheduled annual board examinations 2020 to 2021 of regular and private students have been postponed with immediate effect. The competent authority, JMI, seeing the situation of COVID-19 and taking into account the safety and well-being of the students, it added that the decision was on the lines of the CBSE's decision on board exams. Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi, Manish Sisodia, on Wednesday welcomed the centre's decision to cancel Class 10 CBSE board exams and appealed that the same decision should be taken for Class 12 students as well. I am happy that Class 10 exams are being cancelled and dates are being rescheduled for Class 12 exams. I know that Class 12 students will be anxious over the rescheduling, said Sisodia. However, he added that similar to what was done for Class 10 students, I appeal to the government to promote Class 12 students on the basis of internal assessment and pre-board exams. It is very important to stay at home during these troubled times. The Karnataka government on Wednesday said it has not taken any decision on cancelling the State Board 10 standard exam. This comes against the backdrop of the Central Board of Secondary Education cancelling the 10 standard and postponing the 12 standard examinations due to the prevailing coronavirus pandemic. The State Primary and Secondary Education Minister S. Suresh Kumar issued a statement saying the secondary school leaving certificate exam will take place from June 21st. The statement further said that no decision like the CBSE has been taken. However, keeping in view the situation in future, an appropriate decision would be taken, the minister was quoted as saying in the statement. Karnataka was among the few states which had last year successfully conducted the 10th class and second year pre-university exams even when the coronavirus cases were at its peak. But other states opted to give promotion to all the students. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, do log on to our website, theENN.com, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Nitya.